Welcome to the Priority Tire blog. Let us show you where you can find our blog section and blog posts. We're thrilled to bring you a dynamic and engaging collection of content. In just under 1 minute, you'll discover a world of insightful articles, helpful guides, and entertaining stories. Our blog covers a wide range of topics, from industry trends to practical tips and inspiring stories. Join us on this exciting journey. We understand that your time is valuable. That's why we're excited to introduce our latest blog series. Here's the tires for electric cars, then how to measure tire tread depth. And also don't forget about, can you use summer tires in winter? Electric vehicles are gaining popularity on the roads, offering better energy efficiency, handling, and acceleration. However, finding the right tires for electric car is crucial. Understanding tire tread depth is beneficial for driving safety. It determines traction, controllability, and performance. Take care of your tire tread depth to ensure their lengthened lifespan. Using summer tires in winter can be dangerous due to their lack of traction and braking power on icy and snowy roads. It's important to change your tires with the season for optimal driving security. Our talented writers are passionate about their craft. They conduct in-depth research and deliver well-crafted articles that are informative and engaging. If you're a car enthusiast or a tire lover, you're in for a treat. There are plenty of amazing blogs out there dedicated to everything automotive, so visit our website and don't forget to check our products as well.